Lack of development would mean lack of opportunities. Lack of development would mean lack of opportunities, है ना? If you are living in an area which is hinterland, where there is lack of industries, there is lack of lack of proper infrastructure, what will that do? That will inhibit opportunities. You are not going to have opportunities. You are not going to have opportunity. Lack of opportunities means lack of employment and things like poverty, etc. In brief, we can say this is going to hamper human development. In very simple sense, what can we say? We can say it hampers human development. Okay. Now, what does this result into? This results into poor skills, poor quality of poor human resource. In simple terms, we can say poor human resource. Clear? This is going to do what? This is going to further now create it would contribute again to lack of development. This would again create lack of development. And what will this result into? Now, this is where the non-state actors come. They would use propaganda and accordingly they would take up recruitment. This is how it works. This is how it would work. Lack of development and extremism feeds off each other. It feeds off each other. If there is lack of development, the non-state actors, for non-state actors, this becomes a very fertile ground to recruit people. And this is exactly why you will find that the government needs to take up more developmental measures, where in those areas which are underdeveloped. In those areas which are underdeveloped. Specifically those areas which are not only underdeveloped but also suffer from insurgency related issues. Okay? Why? Because this is a cycle. This needs to be broken. If this cycle is not broken, then there will be persistent insurgency. There would be persistent insurgency.